Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business team photo balance using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a group business photo. I pause because team images build trust. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I activate Puppet Warp. I place pins on one subject who is leaning awkwardly. I gently straighten posture. I zoom in and add control pins to avoid distortion. I move slowly. Business photos must feel real. I apply the warp and zoom out. The team now looks balanced and unified. Puppet Warp